The year is 2025, and yet the legacy of the F-4U Corsair continues to soar high above the clouds, reminding aviation enthusiasts and historians alike of its undeniable significance in aviation history. The F-4U Corsair, with its instantly recognizable inverted gull wings, powerful engine, and storied combat record, remains a symbol of innovation, resilience, and unmatched performance. As we explore the Corsair's legendary status, we find ourselves not only looking back at its storied past, but also marveling at how it continues to inspire even today. The chance. The F-4U Corsair made its first flight in 1940, and it quickly established itself as one of the most formidable fighter aircraft of World War II and the Korean War. Its distinct design was a result of overcoming the engineering challenges of mounting a large and powerful Pratt & Whitney R-2800 double wasp radial engine, producing over 2,000 horsepower. This required a large propeller to efficiently convert power into thrust, leading to the unique bent wing design that allowed for shorter, stronger landing gear suitable for carrier operations. This design not only solved the engineering problem, but also became a visual hallmark of the Corsair. During World War II, the F-4U Corsair earned a reputation for its incredible speed, climb rate, and rugged durability. With a top speed exceeding 400 miles per hour and an impressive rate of climb, it could outperform many of its adversaries. The aircraft's versatility allowed it to serve not only as a fighter, but also as a ground attack aircraft, providing close air support for troops on the ground. The Corsair's rugged airframe absorbed significant battle damage, allowing pilots to return safely even after sustaining hits that would have grounded lesser planes. The Japanese nicknamed it Whistling Death due to the distinct sound produced by airflow over its wings and the deadly effectiveness with which it was flown by Allied pilots. Pilots revered the Corsair for its incredible firepower. Typically armed with 6.50 caliber M2 Browning, machine guns, or a combination of cannons and rockets in later variants. This heavy armament made it a fearsome opponent in dogfights and highly effective against ground targets. The aircraft played a significant role in turning the tide in the Pacific theater, dominating aerial battles and supporting amphibious assaults on heavily fortified islands. Its service record was decorated with countless tales of heroism and skill, with aces like Gregory "Pappy" Boyington achieving legendary status while flying the Corsair. After World War II, the Corsair continued to serve with distinction during the Korean War, adapting to new roles and evolving with the rapidly advancing technology of the jet age. Despite the emergence of jet-powered aircraft, the Corsair proved that it still had a place on the battlefield. Its ability to operate from short and rough airstrips, coupled with its payload capacity and durability, made it an ideal platform for close air support missions. The Corsair demonstrated its versatility, proving that even in a world transitioning to jet propulsion, propeller-driven aircraft still had a crucial role to play in 2025. The F-4U Corsair enjoys a revered place in aviation museums, air shows, and the hearts of aviation enthusiasts worldwide. Restored Corsairs perform breathtaking aerobatic displays, showcasing the power and grace that made them legends. Its modern restoration efforts have preserved the Corsair's legacy, with many organizations dedicating immense resources to ensure that future generations can witness this icon of aviation history firsthand. The rumble of the R-2800 engine continues to captivate audiences, transporting them back to a time when the skies were contested fiercely. The Corsair reigned supreme. The Corsair's impact extends beyond its combat record. It represents a pinnacle of engineering ingenuity and the determination to overcome design challenges. The bent wing design was not just an aesthetic choice, but a masterful solution to a complex problem. Demonstrating the creativity and resourcefulness of its designers, the aircraft's performance pushed the boundaries of what was possible at the time, influencing future generations of aircraft design and development, even in modern popular culture. The F-4U Corsair holds a prominent place. It has been featured in countless films, documentaries, and television series, often symbolizing the bravery and sacrifice of those who flew it. The Corsair's silhouette is instantly recognizable, a testament to its lasting impact on the collective memory of aviation enthusiasts and the general public alike. Its story serves as a bridge between generations, connecting the past with the present and inspiring future aviators to reach for the skies. The Corsair also serves as a reminder of the human element in warfare and aviation. Behind every aircraft was a pilot who faced immense risks. It demonstrated incredible skill and often made the ultimate sacrifice. The stories of Corsair pilots are filled with courage, camaraderie, and a deep sense of duty. Their experiences highlight the human cost of war and the enduring spirit of those who served. The aircraft itself, though a marvel of engineering, becomes a vessel through which these personal narratives are remembered and honored. In today's world, where advanced stealth fighters and unmanned aerial vehicles dominate military aviation, the F-4U Corsair stands as a monument to a different era of aerial combat. Its raw power, mechanical complexity, and visceral flying experience offer a stark contrast to the highly computerized and automated aircraft of the modern age. For many, flying or witnessing a Corsair in flight evokes a sense of nostalgia and a deep appreciation for the skill required to master such a machine. The continued interest in the Corsair also speaks to the importance of preserving history. Organizations, volunteers, and historians work tirelessly to restore and maintain these aircraft, ensuring that their stories are not lost to time. The painstaking work involved in bringing a Corsair back to flying condition is a labor of love. It's reflecting the deep respect and admiration that people hold for this legendary aircraft. As we look to the future, the F-4U Corsair's legacy remains secure. Its story is one of innovation, bravery, and resilience, a timeless reminder of what can be achieved through determination and ingenuity. Whether displayed in a museum, performing at an airshow, or immortalized in film and literature, the Corsair continues to inspire and captivate. In 2025, the legend of the F-4U Corsair lives on, not just as a relic of the past, but as a symbol of enduring excellence in aviation history.